Are you scared of dyeing knots and cutting lace and just think the whole wig thing is just too difficult? Well, look no further, because today I'm going to be showing you a wig that you can literally cut and go, and you will be ready, wow everyone, with your new amazing beautiful look. Hello, my name is Imane. I suffer from hair loss, and today I'm going to be reviewing a wig by HAIRVIVI. But this wig, I'm so excited to try it because if you've been watching my videos, last week I did a video of a Unice wig and I absolutely f***ed it up, okay? I cut the lace and I just completely f***ed the wig up. It was awful. So now I have been kindly sent this wig having 0% effort, and that's what we want. I mean, that's what I want, and if that's what you want, let's go.
I want this.
The unboxing. It comes in a lovely suede packaging. I got really excited. I have already opened the box. It actually had a bow on it, but I've opened it already. So let's see what is inside. Wow. Already, the packaging is so much nicer than Unice. So much more luxurious and just a lot beautiful. So it comes in this beautiful satin bag. So this is the wig. It comes in a nice netting bag. Now, what's amazing about this wig is that it comes with a pre-plucked hairline, so you don't need to do any plucking, bleached knots, and you don't need to wear a wig cap with it because it already has an inner wig cap. It's real HD lace so that it completely blends in with your skin. The other thing that's inside the box, it comes with this cute little other pink satin package, and inside of this you get a comb, a toothbrush to lay down those baby edges. That's a really cute, nice little touch. And it has a comb at the end of it as well, which allows you to comb any of those flyaways and just to create a more sleeker look. It has clips. It comes with these two clips, and this is pretty cool. Like, so I've seen this on Instagram where it's basically allows you to not have to wear glue. So you wear this on your head and the texture of it allows the wig to stay on your head. So this is pretty sick. I've seen it online, I've seen it knocking about, so I'm really excited to try this. It's kind of elasticated so it can fit around your head quite nicely and basically hook onto the wig as well. Last but not least, it comes with a headband to secure the wig to your head. One of the problems that I found with Unice was that the wig was huge, like the cap was huge. You wasn't able to pick a specific size. So HAIRVIVI allows you to pick from small to medium to large cap size, and it gives you the directions on how to measure your scalp and your head so that the wig fits nicely and snug on your head. So I've secured my hair in plaits and I've put it in like this. Yodelay. I look like a milkmaid. So now I'm gonna put the wig on, and I'm actually so excited to put it on because I just know it's just gonna be 100 million times better than my previous experience with wigs. Live through my mistake because this is giving me just fanny flutters. And I'm not gonna lie, last week was traumatic. Having to bleach my own knots, just never again. Okay, so I've got the wig here, got the headband. I'm just gonna secure the headband now, and it's so good that it's got a headband because there's nothing worse than a loose looking wig. Like, that's so embarrassing, and also just quite scary as well, like if it's gonna come out. So these have piano keys here, which I'm just going to secure onto using these clips here. Put on the wig and secure the strap to make it a lot tighter on your head as well, which is really ideal. Look at that pre-plucked hairline. Like, it literally looks like it's growing out of my head. I'm like so shook. Like the bleach, and it looks like this is a cap, right? So this is like, you don't need to wear a wig cap. This is like, my hair is underneath here, but you can't see it. It looks like scalp. Like, I'm blown away, I'm not gonna lie. And what's good is that I can actually make my forehead smaller. So I have quite a large forehead, but if I can bring the wig down to make it smaller or bigger, but I don't want to make it too small. So this is right off the bat, just putting it on. I'm gonna obviously either curl it or straighten it, but looking very cute. Seriously? So amazing already. Like, I can't believe, like, you literally can't even see the lace as well. Like, it's growing out of my scalp and it's clean bleach. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the lace now, and I'm gonna be so careful because this is how I messed up last time and one of the things that I did. So I'm gonna make sure that I don't cut too much off. But this is 100% virgin hair and it just feels so soft, like feels amazing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off with cutting a line in the middle, and I'm not gonna go all the way. And my hairline starts about there anyway, so, and then I'm gonna cut another one here. And then this bit, like, it comes down too much. So I'm just gonna cut this off. And because of the headband, like, it's actually just secure on my head, I think I'm gonna go for like a sleek, straightened look. I'm gonna straighten this bit. But I'm already loving this wig. Like, it just looks so natural. I literally just had to cut it and now I'm just styling it and I'm ready to go out. Like, I'm really, really happy with how it's turned out. So I've straightened her and she's nice and sleek. I've also given her a bit of a side parting as well. But I'm so impressed. Like, it just looks so natural. It looks really like it's growing from my scalp and I just love it. Like, it just looks so beautiful and she's so full-bodied and lovely. But yeah, I love her. I've got a discount code for you guys, so check it out in the description. I'll link this exact beautiful, stunning wig. And I love the fact that it actually looks fine without even glue. But I am gonna try like glue as well, but I think like glueless, like, she looks amazing, like stunning. Is that my hair? Like, you can't even tell. You can't, you just can't. And I kind of like prefer it rather than it being curly. Like, I think it was just doing a bit too much. But the sleek look is absolutely everything. I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And check out my hauls and unboxing video right here.